TotalBoat Lust is an innovative one-part marine varnish that allows rapid recoating with no sanding between coats. Lust varnish gives greater depth and a rich, warm, amber finish to all types of wood. Before use, we recommend straining to minimize dust. Thin up to 50% with TotalBoat Thinner 100 and mix well. You can brush, roll and tip, or spray Lust varnish, applying multiple thin coats for maximum protection. You can overcoat with Lust in just an hour at 72 degrees Fahrenheit, building up to 5 coats in one day in optimal conditions. Choose between a high gloss and a matte finish. For a silky smooth matte appearance, build coats of Lust High Gloss and finish with Lust Matte. TotalBoat Lust Marine SPAR Varnish is available in pint, quart, and gallon sizes and in high gloss and matte finishes.